This is the Honeywell Commercial programmable thermostat that is used to control the Broan 3-ton heat pump. And I am trying to get a defrost cycle right now because it's like 40 degrees and rainy. As I found out with the carrier, that is perfect defrost cycle weather. And that's what it looks like all lit up. I got permission to adjust the temperature just for purposes of getting the heat pump to defrost. Though I don't think I'm going to be able to get it today because we're going to have to leave in less than 15 minutes. Alright, let's go take a look at the heat pump. It was pretty frozen earlier today, but we had to go somewhere, so there wasn't really time to wait around for it to freeze up enough to defrost. And strangely enough, it's actually quieter than it usually is. I think the rain might have something to do with that. ...2011 Broan 3-ton heat pump, R410A refrigerant, Copeland scroll compressor, and I believe this is a 14 SEER. It is really rainy. It's absolutely miserable today. Alright, I don't think I'm going to be able to get a defrost cycle today. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.